My name is Evan Lali. I am the owner of the OK Tire in Pembroke, Ontario. I've been an owner for 8 years now. Great company. And yeah, we're happy to join AutoLeap. The big one for me was cloud-based system. Car was server-based. Having a cloud-based system for me, because I have a multi-location, my wife has a shop, was huge. Between the two shops, we could coordinate schedules and inventory and all that. That was a big one. And really just a little bit further ahead in the game with it, I think. I gotta say with the times. So
Right.
that was a huge one as well. A lot of the times I'll be selling tires and they'll ask me, well, when can I get in? Having this system will enable me to just go on my laptop and look at the schedule and say, hey, I can get you in next week on Monday or whatever. The old system, we would have to call them, call the
Right.
shop, get a service advisor. They look at it, it just streamlines everything, right? So the other thing too is customer relation with this system is a lot better too. When the text can take video or a picture is more than just writing down on a piece of paper, right? The customer can
Mhm.
see what the issue is, right? Instead of just hearing it through a mouth, right? So I think that's
Right.
huge. We used to use all data and we'd have to click on sites and, different sites and trying to get information from different sites, where here it's all in the same program. And that being said, with PartsTech as well, which is integrated. So having all these things integrated into AutoLeap is huge. There's no going to different websites or tabs or anything like that. It's just all in one. 5 star, or maybe even 7 star. You guys have held our hands the whole way. Let us play with the sandbox for as long as you thought we should be doing it, and then saying, hey, let's do this now. Let's switch over. You guys are good. We're here to help. Actually, another thing, a system within AutoLeap that's great is the question mark. Terry
Mm.
Ann, one of my service advisors, said, having that question mark and having an answer within what 2 minutes is huge for her. She said that's one of the biggest things that she thinks AutoLeap is benefiting from, or she's having somebody at her fingertips, right? And within 2 minutes to answer any question that she has. That was the big hurdle for me to convince my service advisors to switch over. It's like, wow, it's a new system. And they were scared. They were scared they weren't going to get on it. And I said, you know what, guys, let's just do it. I think this is going to be huge for us in the long run. And week 3, they're all loving it. It's huge. I mean, I know the other programs are starting to go server based, but honest to God, you guys are just a little bit more ahead of the times. I think you've been doing it a little longer. You're gotten all the bugs out. You know what I mean? I think that's the big reason for me, was because there was other companies that were starting to go cloud-based, but I decided, you know what? These guys have their stuff together, right? So